enter your username and password. Once you've entered the correct details, click on Sign In. As soon as you log in, you'll land on the dashboard a real-time summary of office activities. Let's explore your main dashboard, the control